Are you looking for the best washing machines in 2023? In this video we will look at some of the best washing machines in 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Panda Portable Washing Machine. This 4.6-star rated portable washing machine is a great choice for small spaces, such as apartments and RVs. It can be easily connected right to your faucet and comes with a quick connect adapter kit and hoses. This device features 10 washing programs and 5 water level settings. It can hold up to 10 pounds of laundry at a time. Number 2. Comfee 1.6 cu.ft Portable Washing Machine. This 4.4-star rated portable washer features 6 different washing functions and 3 water temperatures. According to the brand, this small but powerful washer has a Department of Energy certificate stating that it saves 84% more energy than similar models. Better than I imagined, wrote a verified Amazon customer who purchased the apartment-friendly portable washer. It even washed my mattress pad cover. Number 3. Black & Decker Portable Washer. This 4.4-star rated, top-loading portable washer can fit up to 11 pounds of laundry. It features 6 different wash functions, 3 water levels and a delayed start option of up to 24 hours. According to a verified Amazon reviewer, setup is easy, our unit hooks up easily to bathtub faucet, and has a pump with a drain hose that empties into the tub. I'm also really impressed with the capacity of this bad boy. We are averaging about 8 articles of clothing per load, including heavy sweaters and jeans, certainly smaller than a full-size unit but adequate for our family of 2. We've also had no problems washing heavy-duty items like floor mats, sheets and towels. Number 4. Vivohome Electric Compact Portable Dryer. The home appliance features for drying modes, including fast dry mode, delicate dry mode, air dry mode and timer dry mode. It's small enough to hang on a wall, but this dryer is also mighty. According to the brand, this Vivohome Electric Compact Portable Dryer can fit 15 t-shirts, 3 down jackets, a set of bed sheets and 7 pairs of jeans, or 35 towels at once. Number 5. Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. This thing is awesome, works great, wrote a verified Amazon customer who reviewed the Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. The control knobs are on the very bottom, so don't put it on the floor unless you want to bend way over to use them or view them. Combined with the Costco portable washer, I can now do laundry at home for cheap. No installation required, just plug it in. It comes with a wall mount bracket and a vent kit, no hose. This 4.4-star rated portable dryer can hold up to 10 pounds of laundry. It weighs less than 40 pounds and can be mounted on a wall, placed on the ground or mounted on a rack.